very important every day when we came to you guys in your home, sleeping, eating, laughing, and also trying to just bring our joy and my joy to you. Not everybody, but that's for my followers only. Last time I told you now, we're going just only for Fabian. You thought I was just joking. Fabian is an Italian label. It's Italian, that is from Italy. It's a label from Italy. You get the point now. It's not for the poor masses. It's not for the poor masses. I'm not saying you're poor, because I just want to try to raise up your vital motor body to do something better tomorrow. Today I want to just present you what I want to wear tomorrow. Tomorrow is very better and very good day tomorrow, because tomorrow, not but very busy. I'll go for my Vital, after my after my Jeep, after that I'll go for my haircut. But listen to me, I want to go like crazy. Number one, I'll just present to you my baby. Oh yeah, come on. Oh, Fabian, this is the Fabian. Sorry, if you say I'm in the street, I live in the street, I love that, because in the street they can offer you at least. This is Fabian. Look at these guys, I'm telling you. Shit, look at these pigs, take it off. Oh my god. Oh, I'll be so tight. Oh my god. Yeah, no, I don't care what people say. I never know about them. But honest, thank you, like blue. But now, right here. So this one's supposed to stay here, and this one stay here. We're still going, guys. Just today I'm very calm. And I want to introduce you to another thing that I'm supposed to do tomorrow. Stay calm. What is this? Okay, let me just, we go for the prizes. This is the cap 749, right? I read the price of my shares. I had the price of my shares. Come on, guys. This is what you see. The price of this. Come on. Okay, fine. Let's go to the father of the fathers. Oh. What is that? Oh my God. My God. Listen to this. And look at this. This is Fabian. I had navy blue Fabian. Today, I'm not going to wear navy blue Fabian. Guys, please can you check with the price? How much is it? 1,200 just on the top. Let's go to this bottom that I'm going to wear tomorrow. It's going to be 1,299. Fabian is different from what I was wearing last time. Don't make a mistake. That was something else. That was cross. I don't know what is cross about. I don't know. But this is Fabian. My brother and my sisters. If you think that I'm poor, this is Adidas. It's original Adidas. Not that you can find it anyway. I will tell you the history of this one. But let's go there here. Poverty is not in me, neither in my genes. Tomorrow, you see me in this. Take your time. Breathe well. JW, this is my name.